Anyway guys, I make the video now. Continue after this, I'll do it. And here I make another bowl here. So continue keep doing this until it work out for you. See, it's really have to wash your hand thoroughly as well when you make this energy super food protein. Then yeah, see in my hand, I do that one. You can also put gloves if you want to, but this is so good. Make balls until it's so good. I work for you. You can make small balls as well if you want. Like these balls in the shop we bought like this. One or two. One of them like $4, probably $5 now. Because guys, the ingredients is not cheap. The almonds is getting expensive as well. So tanas and so the chias. A little bit of up, not much, but yeah. That's it guys, like you're playing with a kid, you know. Like you're playing in the sun. Keep doing like this. I'm doing it with my left hand because one of the other hand, you know, if you're a blogger, you know, you understood. Alright, that one, I got 3 of them here. It's ready to eat. Or you can also put this in the fridge for 24 hours or until it's get nice and cold. Leave it there and you can eat them straight away. Here you go. And I'll make more of this. I'll just show a bit 2 more because I don't boring you for too long. I'll vlog right now, so it's easy to make, very easy to make. You just need the effort for it, and that's it. You got really nice balls, energy super power balls, superfood. One more. Yeah, I hope you'll try this guys. You won't regret trying this one because they're really good. I know vegetarian people out there, even if you're not vegetarian, if you fancy this kind of food, and then it's really good. My chef really signing me that he want it now, so after this I give it another one. This sample. There you go guys. No finger licking, huh? There you go. Easy to make. You can do it and then get things for your loved one too. You can put this in the fridge as long as you want, I guess. And yeah, well, it's too much for I make more. Yeah, I make big one for him because he can't wait. Guys, he's really excited for eating this. There you go, babe. And yeah, that's it for tonight, guys. I will continue doing this until I'm finished. I guess it will be expired like 1 month as long as you're in the fridge, pretty much like this. Or I reckon you can put this in the freezer as well. Yeah, well, to us we just put this in the fridge. Like this we consume about like 1 week or even less. It depends how we crave with really protein. Voila guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do try this. Please do share this to your friends, Facebook or any social media to help us our algorithm in YouTube. And leave us the comment down below. Let me know what else you put this. Oh, actually, it's really good for the real vanilla as well. But since we don't have vanilla, maybe next time we can go and buy in the shop if you won't forget. And maybe next time we make another creating food for you. Give us a comment down below or let us know what you want us to do in the video. Any kind of cooking or any traveling, guys. And we're really happy to share it to you. And please do subscribe. Leave us the comment below. And happy to reply to you any question. And I hope to see you next time. Please do subscribe if you consider this. I wanted to follow us more and more healthy options. Cooking or any vlogging or any doing for traveling. See you next time guys. Ciao. Stay healthy and happy. Ciao. Godspeed everybody. Cheers. Kind regards from Australia. Thank you everybody. Cheers. I'm gonna try actually one. can't wait to try it. Sala ramen. Yum. Yum.